Hey guys, welcome to another Hostinger Academy tutorial. My name is Kastudis and today we will be learning how to start a Minecraft server. So let's jump right into it. Playing Minecraft is super fun, especially if you do that with a group of friends. And to connect with your friends in Minecraft, you need to have an active Minecraft server. While setting it up might seem tricky at first, with the help of this video tutorial, you will have it running in no time. So let's get to it. The first step in starting your own Minecraft server is determining which hosting plan to go with. Now, depending on your world size, how many players you're playing with, and if you're gonna install any mods, the system server requirements will change. If you're playing with just a couple of friends on a vanilla server, the basic Alex plan has got you covered. Now, if your Minecraft community grows and you're not yet sure what server to choose, go with the Alex plan, as upgrading only takes a couple of clicks and you can do that at any time. We began by clicking the setup button next to the newly purchased Alex plan. Now let's fill in the server details. First, choose a name for your server. This can be whatever you want, so feel free to leave it with the auto-generated name or write a name yourself. Next step is choosing the server location. The best pick in this case would be the location closest to all of your players. And finally, choosing the root password for your VPS. And that's it for setting up your VPS on which your Minecraft server will be run. Just give the system some time to build your server. Now to set up the game panel itself. Let's start by clicking on the Login Details button and opening the login URL. Now to log into the game panel itself, you will need to use the credentials which you can find in the Notes section of your VPS. Once you are logged in, let's start by creating a new instance. The first option you need to choose is what version of Minecraft server you want to host. The two different options here are Bedrock and Java version. My server will be running the Java version of Minecraft. Now the instance will take a few minutes to be set up. Once it's ready, further configuration can be done by clicking on the instance and then on the Manage button that popped up. After reaching the management page of the instance, you can start by clicking the Start button and accepting the Minecraft End User License Agreement. And that's it! You can now hop onto your Minecraft server by accessing it via the endpoint IP address. A super simple way to manage your server's properties is by editing the server properties file using the game panel's inbuilt file manager. Here you can edit a bunch of different parameters of your server, one of them being the property called Online Mode. Setting this to false will allow people with unofficial launchers of Minecraft to join your server. One really handy feature of using the game panel is that installing server plugins can be done in just a couple of clicks. All you have to do is click on the plugin option in the menu and search for your desired one. To assign additional memory to the instance on which your Minecraft server is run, you would first need to open the instance management page. Then, from the main menu, we navigate to the Configuration and the Java Memory tab. It is recommended to always leave at least half a gigabyte of system memory available for the game panel itself. The system allocated 1 GB of RAM to the server by default. Since our VPS plan included 2 GB, we can confidently increase the memory limit by half a gigabyte more while still maintaining the save headroom. To update your server, simply stop it and click Update. To upload files to your server, I'd recommend connecting to it using an FTP client such as FileZilla. If you have never used an FTP client before, don't worry, as the whole process is quite straightforward. Once you have the FTP client installed, it should look like this. Now to access your server, fill in the login credentials. In the host field, type out SFTP column / and your server IP address. Then, for the username and password, use the same ones that you used to log into your game panel. And finally, the port you should use will be 2223. From there, you can navigate to the instance's Minecraft directory and upload your world file here. Once the upload is completed, make sure to edit the level name property to reflect the name of the world you had just uploaded, and then restart your server. And there you have it! That's all it takes to get your Minecraft server up and running. If you like this video, let me know by clicking the like button. And of course, stay subscribed to the Hostinger Academy channel for more amazing video tutorials like this one in the future. If you're looking for someone to play on your new Minecraft server, leave the IP address down in the comments below. Until then, I wish the best of luck in your internet journey. Take care!